I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open Drive or Forms. Google, com and start a blank form to begin immediately. Once done, title the form clearly so responses are organized and add a brief description to set expectations. Make sure to pick a template only if it matches your objective. Templates save time, but may include unnecessary questions. You'll see the untitled form interface. That's where you add your first question. Click the plus button to insert a question and choose its type. Now build the heart of your form by adding questions and choosing types that match the data you need. For numeric input, use short answer with validation. For multiple selections, use checkboxes or drop-downs to save space. Once questions are in place, group related items into sections so respondents progress logically. This also enables conditional branching. Make sure to adjust form settings. Collect email addresses if required. Limit to one response if needed. And enable Edit After Submit. Finish by customizing the theme and previewing the form on desktop and mobile to confirm layout and flow. Once satisfied, click Send and choose Link, Email, or Embed Code. Shorten the URL for easier sharing and test it with 1 or 2 colleagues to catch issues. Monitor responses in the Responses tab and link to a spreadsheet if you need analytics. If something breaks, clear your browser cache, verify form permissions and drive upload settings, and confirm respondents have required account access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.